Good evening. Today I would like to explain Python basic operators. So there are various Python operations that you can run either in a Python shell, that is also called as interactive mode, or you can execute Python file in scripting mode. Okay, so we are performing all arithmetic operations in Python interactive shell or scripting way. So Python can be executed in two ways. One is interactive mode, that is called IDLE. Then scripting mode, where you are writing Python file, scripting file, then you are saving dot extension py, then you are executing the Python programming. So now see the arithmetic operations of Python programming. Addition, so subtraction, multiplication, division, floor division, modulus, exponentiation. So if you perform these operations in Python basic operations, see here I am going to execute in run command. So now I am exit from this interactive shell. Now see here all operations I am going to execute. CLS Python is a scripting programming language. Python can be run in two ways. This is called interactive mode, or ideally integration development learning environment. So now I am executing all arithmetic operations, and these are the two commands for clearing the screen. Now I am executing arithmetic operations. Directly you can use print operations. So 5 plus 3, so it will give addition 8. Print 5 minus 3, it will print addition 5 minus 3 2. Print 5 multiplied by 3, it will print 15. Print, that is called multiplication. Now division, 5 division by 3, it will gives us a quotient. Print 5 modulo division by 3, it will print remainder. Then floor division, print 5 floor division gives us a integer value. See now the integer value. Then exponentiation, print 5 to this is called exponentiation, 5 to the power of 3. So it is 125. Likewise we are executing basic Python basic mathematical operations. If you see in this one, operators in Python, there are 6 types of operators: assignment operators, arithmetic operators, bitwise operators, logical operators, and relational operators, identity operators. See the assignment operators, we have equal to, plus equal to, minus equal to, slash equal to, star equal to. Arithmetic operators like addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, modulo division, exponentiation. Bitwise operators and logical, bitwise and bitwise are bitwise, you can call it as XOR, negation symbol, and less than, greater than, left shift, right shift operators. Then logical operators like logical and, logical or, logical not. Relational operators like greater than or equal to, not equal to, less than, greater than, less than or equal to, exactly equal to. And identity operators like ampersand or cap symbol. Cap symbol means XOR operator, negation, less than, and left shift and right shift operators. Python operator precedence says that which operator gets first executed and which operator having highest precedence, that we can see from highest to lowest. So precedence operator sign, the first highest priority for exponentiation star star, then unary positive, then unary negative, then bitwise bitwise negation, then followed by the multiplication, division, floor division, modulus, then addition, subtraction, then left shift, right shift, then bitwise and bitwise or, bitwise or, then followed by the comparison, identity, exactly equal to, not equal to, less than equal to, greater than or equal to, is not, and then not, boolean not, boolean and boolean or. These are the from lowest highest lowest and highest Python operator precedence, and highest is exponentiation and lowest is boolean or. So this is about Python basic operators in Python programming. And Python has two membership operators, in and not in. These operators are used to test if a value is member of sequence or collection such as list, tuple or set. The in operator returns true if the left operand is a member of the right operand and false otherwise. So for example, if you declare my list is a variable name equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 are the elements of the list. If you type 3 in my list, it will print true. 5 in my list, it will print false. So same program you can see. Now I am executing. Okay, so you can type this one in interactive mode. So my list, if you type my underscore list, so it will print what are the elements. So 3 in my underscore list. Okay, so 3 in my underscore list, it is true. 5 in my underscore list, it will say false. See, likewise we are executing Python membership operators. Okay, I'll stop here. Tomorrow we'll see the next operations.